Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to check out the ROX-JWM session in AntiX. Let us start. So here you can see the issue is there. So you have to open the control center to set the graphics. That is done. Then again, we'll have to do conky on and off. Okay. So this session, that is the ROX-JWM session, just looks same as what we get in the standard ROX session. Nothing else is different is there. Everything is same. You can see here the app menu also looks very same. Same applications are there. You can see in AntiX. You can see these are all AntiX applications. The order and the number of applications is same. In accessories also everything is same. Games, 2 applications. Graphics, same number of applications. Same the sequence of applications, order of applications. Internet also same. Multimedia is also same. In Office you get LibreOffice Suite and Q PDF. Preferences, everything is same here also. Programming also 3 applications. And in system all same applications are there. There is not much change, nothing is there. Only the addition of ROX filer and ROX filer as root is available. So and the ROX term. So these three applications are extra as compared to the standard JWM or the JOS window manager session. Let us open Xtop and check out. So here the memory usage is around 260 MB. So it is 20 MB more than the standard JOS window manager, and it is equal to the Fluxbox session. In standard Fluxbox, this was the memory usage. So it is same as the standard Fluxbox session and 20 MB more than the standard JOS window manager session. And we will open the task manager also to get a good idea. Yes, here also you can see 265 MB. It is here 267 is shown, and CPU usage is 0. 22 threads are running and 50 tasks are there. So one task more than the JWM session. And load average, you can see it is 0.003, less than 0.003. So very minimal usage of system resources. And control center, everything is same, nothing different is there. Here also the native tiling does not work like in JWM, standard JWM session of AntiX. You will have to arrange the windows by yourself. Other than that, there is nothing new to see here. Everything what we have seen is there. Yes, one thing is pending in the last video, that is the standard JWM session. We did not check out the themes. Here we will check out the themes. So let us check out the black theme. So I think it is default right now. Let us go with the blue day thing. It doesn't seem to work here. Then let us go with let us first update the themes list. Then what we'll do is let us try the black one. Yes, now it is changing. This is the black, little more black than earlier. The panel below becomes more black. Blue day. Yes, now this is the blue day. So it has grayed out little bit. Then let us go with the brown one. Let us check out. Okay. Brown. Yes, it is working. Now it is working after we updated the themes list. You can see here it is changed everything. Now let us go with the cappuccino. Yes, now it is perfectly working. This looks very nice. Cappuccino one. Clear looks is my favorite. Looks very nice. You can see, you will get an idea. It is working. Then coffee cream, this is also nice color. The fonts get bolder here, very bold fonts. Then you get the copper color. Okay, this is more bluish tinge is there. Yes, nice one. This was the default one. So this is the default one. Okay. Then you got the gold one. Gold, I think it should make it yellow, little yellow. No. Yes. So highlighted application menu entry, it will become golden. You can see here. Okay. So the highlighted is part is the golden part. Okay. Then green. Okay. So it has got a green tinge. Very nice looking one. Okay. So very nice. Then green here checked. Ice. This is also nice looking. Nice thing. Okay. Ice is done. And now I think it will be military green. Yes. This is not that good looking. May few people will like it. I think doesn't look very nice to the eyes. Pastel. Yes, this should look very nice. Yes, this is very nice looking. Very subtle and very good for the eyes. Okay, then you have got a pretty pink. This is also nice looking. Okay, very nice. Then we go to the red one. Red is not that good, not to my liking. Okay, so red is not good. We will go with shades of gray now. This is okayish, not that, not good for the eyes. It is not eligible properly. Don't use this. Sunny day. This is also nice. You can work with this because the font is properly highlighted. You can see the font is bright. You can read it and it gets highlighted by this color. That is the sunny day color. And white. Oh, totally white. So this look more like window. This is nice. So we have checked out all the themes, and let us check out the wallpaper if any different wallpaper is there. Okay, let us select and do some wallpaper changes. No, this we have already used earlier. Let us go with the sunflower one. Okay, so this is it. This is all that is there to share with you for the ROX-JWM. You have seen the ROX application, so I did not show you again and again because two times we already seen during the ISW and Flexbox. So it doesn't. It is not a good idea to show the same things again and again. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video with the ZZZ Fluxbox Manager. Bye bye.